Happy birthday, Direk.
So nagsimula na po ang fourth and final quarter. Ginebra begins the payoff period with JJ Helterbrand, Eric Mek, Mark Caguioa, Ronald Tubid, and Chris Alexander.
Now, so far, Ginebra has not forced Talk 'N Text to bring back Terrence Leather because Talk 'N Text has remained in arm's length of Barangay Ginebra.
And they've called an offensive foul laban sa Talk 'N Text.
And Jay Wash has started to become quiet as Ronald Tubid has started to guard him. At nawala yung gigil nito si Jay Washington ever since binantayan ni Tubid.
For the foam fouls, they have Alapag, Washington, De Ocampo, Peak, and Ritualo. If you're looking for Terrence Leather, he is forced to sit down with 5 personal fouls. Here's Caguioa, laban kay Ritualo. Caguioa on the move. Caguioa scores!
Now that's the matchup that Barangay Ginebra wants. Mark Caguioa against Renren Ritualo. Of course, Renren not really known to be a defensive player, and Mark an excellent offensive player.
Third personal laban kay Caguioa. First team foul laban sa Ginebra, and this will send Ali Peak to the line. Talk 'N Text is one scoring run away from surging ahead in this game. Of course, after whatever happens, they'll be looking at their free throw shooting. And this contest, as Don Aliado returns to the floor, at si Yancy De Ocampo ang babalik muna sa bench.
Doesn't happen very often. Talk 'N Text making 2 out of 2. Not today. Not today, at least.
Nevertheless, Talk 'N Text within striking distance, down by just 5. Tubid scores inside para sa Ginebra. 9 points para kay Tubid. 10.5 remaining in the ball game. At 7 na naman ang kailangan habulin dito ng Talk 'N Text as Ritualo misses. Here's Washington. One more miss. Bola na kay Caguioa. It's the Fast and the Furious on the attack. And Caguioa will score.
Sometimes all you need is just JJ Helterbrand and Mark Caguioa. Fast break situation. Giving it back to your point guard. Back to Mark Caguioa. Not really a smart foul coming from Renren Ritualo. Have to give up that layup already. Huli na ang lahat. At ito si Mark Caguioa dito kumukuha na ng puntos. Looking for his 20th.
Quietly amassing 20 points. He did not start the game para sa Ginebra, but he's been just as deadly off the bench. Thanks to Caguioa, 10 na naman ang lamang ng Ginebra here in the fourth quarter.